The Little Prince. I can read. Step by step.
Day 2. Level 1.
The man says to me, stop painting. Just do other things. So, I give up being a painter.
Level 2.
The man said to me, stop drawing. Just do other things. So, I gave up being a painter.
Level 3.
But they said to me, stop drawing. Just do other things. History or geography is good for you. I felt unhappy about drawing number 1 and 2, so I gave up being a painter at the age of 6.
Level 4.
The grown-ups advised me this time. Stop drawing boa snakes. Focus on geography, history, and grammar instead. That is why I gave up being a great painter at 6 years old. I had been disappointed by the failure of my drawing number 1 and 2.
Original book.
The grown-up's response, this time, was to advise me to lay aside my drawing of boa constrictors, whether from the inside or the outside, and devote myself instead to geography, history, arithmetic, and grammar. That is why, at the age of 6, I gave up what might have been a magnificent career as a painter. I had been disheartened by the failure of my drawing number 1 and my drawing number 2.
해석과 함께 읽기.
You did it.